on my way. I'm on a road trip. So I'm taking you with me on this road trip, guys. But look what's happening ahead. Ooh, it's dark. It is dark. 7:25 and look what's happening. All this we have to go through. Yep. 55. Yeah. Good morning. I am on a little road trip. How you doing this bright Saturday morning? I am going out of town, but this is what speed catcher. My God. But we never see our place never stays so.
Okay.
We never stay so with all this fog. Road trip people. Good morning. Look at what is happening. Yeah, we have to be careful. This fog is thick. No, I am not driving. I could never be doing that. I am not driving, Cam. I am not the driver at all. Wow. Woo. I could never be driving and looking at my phone. That would be crazy. But anyway, thanks for your advice. Yeah, I like this. I like to Just take a long drive sometime. That's exactly what I'm doing. Me and my husband, we are on a long drive. Wow. You can't see. Woo. Yep. No, you can't see through. So we're going into it, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Must have been so bad. Yeah. Uh-huh. So I'm taking you along with me. I'm gonna be taking the train. It's gonna be a busy weekend. How about your weekend? It's gonna be busy. Hi, Rich boy. How you doing? And Jackie. Jackie say hi. How you doing, Jackie? Well, it's all done. It's not too bad now. I'm getting it. It's not too bad at all. It's not too bad at all. Thanks for joining. Thanks for coming on my road trip with me.